Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another door panel removal video. Here I have a Skoda Kodiaq from 2020. It will be the same on 2019. For this one you need a plastic removal tool, a Torx T30. It has 2 screws and one plastic mechanism on the bottom that you need to turn it from horizontal to vertical position. Start by removing this piece of trim with the plastic removal tool. Don't start with this corner because this part goes under that. Those are the metal clips. Usually they came out. You need to take them out and put them back on the door. You will have 2 screws, one there and you will have another one in this hole, but you can see I cannot reach the screw because I have here in the middle the window switch. That means I need to take this part out. Built-in clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 here in the front. And what you'll have another clips, 2 clips on the side. You can push this one through this hole. You can push this one through a hole, but the other one is really hard to push because it's on this side. After you take this out, you'll have access . On the bottom you'll have this and you need to turn it. From horizontal to vertical. You can take the sweep out. You will have for the locking mechanism and push and pull. You need to push this tab and pull. You have one cable for the speaker. You will have here 2 connections. Here is the door panel. I have 3 clips left on the car. I will show you how to take them down. And that's it guys, see you next time with another removal video. Thank you for watching, bye bye.